It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some.
Hey guys, it's welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have indeed an all etude house one brand tutorial / get ready with me because I will be attending my first etude house event as one of the mentors of Beautician Ogi, or the 5th generation of Beautician. I honestly don't know what is the correct way to say it. So I thought I would get ready with you guys as today I will be heading out soon. So, and by the way guys, I absolutely love how my makeup turned out today, and that it's been a while since I've been really happy with my makeup. So I'm very excited to share this tutorial with you guys. Let's get this video started out. This is the only sheet mask that I can get away before I do my makeup because the essence it's got plenty of essence, but it's light. So it doesn't give me lotion burgers. It doesn't like peel off under my makeup. It doesn't like ball up. That is what I meant to say. And the sheet mask is really, really soft. It doesn't bother my skin at all. Ooh, that is really, really cold. And if you check out their ingredient list, it's really, really simple as well. Like it's only got like a 10 ingredient list, like 10 ingredients. So I like to leave these on for like 5 minutes or so, and then I'll take it off, because if you use them for 5 more minutes, sheet masks will dry out your skin even more, and that's even like worse. I believe 5 minutes has passed, so I'm just going to take this off. Yeah, even now, it's just been 5 minutes, and even now I can like feel that it has I can feel it start drying. You know what, guys? This is kind of like a random thing, but one of my goals this year is to improve my English of 2020 because I don't know if you guys noticed, but sometimes in my videos, I stutter, and I just can't seem to string the sentences together. So me no speak no Americano, that's for sure, that's for sure. And with the remaining sheet mask, I just like to apply this all over my hands and my body. Next, I'm going to top up everything with this cream, the Soonjung beautiful Hydro Barrier Cream, which you guys know I did a little photo shoot. Stop. The sheet mask is really light, so for me to actually go out in this weather, I do have to layer this off with a cream, or else mama's gonna feel dehydration, and that's not very good. The cream is pretty light, so I do recommend it for like the summer times, but if I work in it with a sheet mask, it's sufficient for me. Next, we're just going to jump straight into sun cream. This is one of my favorite sun creams. This is the Etude House Sun Price Mild Watery Light. Absolutely love this. However, I will mention, if you do not exfoliate, this will give you lotion boogers, meaning that it will ball or peel off under your makeup, so make sure you exfoliate it. I exfoliated my skin yesterday with the Benton Aloe Beach Shea Skin Toner. Delish. Neck and my hands. Never neglect the neck. I should make a song. Never neglect the neck. Now I'm just going to jump straight in with these concealers and color correct and cover some of my blemishes fast. So I'm using the Big Cover Concealer Skin Fit Pro. This is a neutral mint. I'm going to cancel out any redness around my nose. Lots of blemishes. Redness. And then with the neutral vanilla, I'm going to cover up any blemishes, more blemishes. Well, actually, let me highlight with this as well. This is pretty light. This is a mochi puff from Innisfree. I think it's the cutest thing. I want to eat it up. Really, for reals. Isn't it so cute? It's so squishy as well. I didn't wet it, by the way. I didn't wet it because I already have such a hydrating skincare underneath, and I'm kind of sweating a bit. Ooh, this is a very nice puff. It feels very 쫀쫀해, like very squishy, and it feels like it's doing a really good job in adhering the product onto my skin. Next, for the foundation, I'm gonna use the Double Lasting Serum Foundation. This foundation, as you guys can guess from the name, is a much more hydrating foundation. And I'm going to use a flat brush. I've noticed that with these really hydrating foundation, a flat brush works the best in terms of giving you the best amount of coverage in really adhering to your skin. This mochi puff is like so cute. Next, I'm going to put on my favorite eye primer. This is the Proof 10 eye primer that I recently got in my haul. Why would they discontinue this? Seriously? This is one of my favorite powders to use, and I've been recommending this powder for 2 years consecutively. And it's only 9,000 won. It's like 10,000 won, 9,000 won. But it just does such an awesome job in setting your makeup and make sure that sweat doesn't come through or like ruin your makeup whatsoever. It's a great powder for oily skin type, really. I like to use it because I sweat a lot. Now for the eyes, I didn't mention these in my previous Etude House haul video, but I absolutely love these palettes. To be honest, I don't love all of these palettes. I just really like these two specifically because I think the quality is on point. So today I'm going to use the Caffeine Holic. First, I'm just going to take a nudie color right here and set that all over my eyes. So it has a bit of fallout. To be honest, guys, I don't mind fallout as long as it actually does something for me. Next, taking this, ooh, this is a very interesting color. I would say this is a kind of like a reddish coral, a burnt coral color, and put that at the center. I don't know if I'm gonna put this in the video. I might edit it out because I don't want to make this video like eons years long. But actually, December was a horrendous month for me. It was so hard for me to film because I was just really sad and I was actually kind of feeling depressed. But now I'm back. Can you guys tell? Like I feel like myself again, and it's just wonderful. I'm going to mix these two darker shades and put that on the other thirds. So I am just really happy to be filming. I'm like going back on track. I'm just going to be filming and editing videos for you guys, whether you like it or not. I'm going to blend everything out a bit so nothing's too harsh. It's hot. I'm sweating already. Ooh, you know what? I actually want a bit of a sparkle today because it's a special day. I think I might put on this shimmer shade at the center of my eyes using my... Oh, actually the shimmer shades aren't that great. Let me just try. Not bad, not bad. Maybe I'll just mix it up. They're okay. I'm not blown away because the shimmer shades and the glitter shades in this palette is actually good. So let me use this one instead. But I'm going to take this glitter shade right here. This is a beautiful shade, by the way. Oh yes, mommy, come through. Can you guys see that? Whew! I'm a bit puzzled though. Why aren't the shimmer quality like similar? And using one of these, I'm going to apply it on my aegyo. Voila! Well, I'm very happy with how my eye makeup is turning out. I used to think these were really like useless and I used to throw these away every time, but these are really, really helpful when you want to apply some glitter on your aegyo, like underneath your eyes. I don't have any eyeliners from Etude House, but I just did receive my backup of the Tony Moly Back Gel High Tech Flat Liner, so I'm going to use this instead. Guys, like I can't get over how beautiful my eye makeup looks like, the glitter shades. Right? I hope you guys can see. Like, look at that little beautiful glisten on my aegyo side. Very content, very content. Next, I'm going to set my eyelashes using these mascara fixers. First, I'm going to apply the red one to fixate the curls, and then I'm going to use the green one to elongate my lashes because this one has fibers in it. For the mascara, I also don't have an Etude House mascara, but I will be using my Holy Grail Clio Kill Lash Super Proof Mascara Long Curling. This is the best mascara ever. Seriously. And bam! Just like that. For the brows, I'm going to use the Slim Drawing Eyebrow Slim is 1.5 millimeters. It's so easy to draw in your brows with this because it's so thin. It's super easy to control. And you can be very meticulous with it, which I think helps, especially when you're first starting out with your brows. To top that off, I'm going to use this beautiful Color My Brows 청순 거짓 brow color. I wonder why they name it like that though. 청순 거짓? What does that mean? Like innocent but lying? Oh, by the way guys, I want to mention like when you use this, make sure to dump off a lot of the product or else it's going to mush up. It's going to muck up the beautiful work and all that effort you put into your eyebrows. So make sure to do that. But these really help your eyebrows stay put all day. Now for the contouring, one of my favorite products from Etude House is of course the contouring wheel. I think this is perfect, right? Because you get 3 colors, you can mix it up, you can use the color you want. I'm going to take the lightest color right here and contour my nose. And then taking a bigger brush, I'm going to mix up everything. Just go to town. This is a workout, guys. Makeup is workout. Then for the blushers, I have 2 colors because I'm going to mix these 2 colors because I think, you know what, mixing colors when it comes to like blush, lips, I think it makes it look prettier. So I have these Jelly Cookie Lovely, nope, these are just Lovely Cookie blushers. These are OG products. I think they've been around since dinosaurs were around or something. But this is the shade BR401 Pink Brownie. And then I also have the shade Ginger Honey Cookie BE101. More of a muted subtle color. So let me, guys, by the way, this one is like shattering. Like it just broke in my hands. It came like this in the package. I didn't do this to this. So I'm going to take a good old Real Techniques blush brush and maybe mix a bit. Now I'm going to tap off the excess because I remember these actually had pretty long pigmentation. So this is beautiful, by the way. It's a little more pinkish than I like it to be, but it's okay. Seems to give me a little flush. Last for the finale, I did bring the lips, and of course I brought my favorite matte chic, lip lacquer. I absolutely adore this whole line. Love the color, love the formula, love the packaging, and like the fact that you can see what color you're using, it's great. I'm going to start off with Peach Beige and just try this one on first. Oh, this color is a gorgeous color, by the way. I'm totally digging this color. Aren't you guys? I feel like Wendy Brown might work. Yeah, this totally goes. Nice, 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 nice. So first, when you apply these on, they will feel a little sticky, but with time, they will dry out. Oh my gosh, I was holding my breath while doing this. Why? Why would I do that? Breathe, Sue, breathe. Then to make this matte and last long, I'm going to bite into the tissue like this. You can see it barely comes off because it's already dried down. But yeah, let me just go and do my hair. Hey guys, I'm back. So by the way guys, I just want to mention I'm really happy with how this makeup turned out. I took a bunch of selfies before filming. I'm sorry. I just had to catch the moment. And I did pull my hair back into a horsetail. Is that a ponytail, not a horsetail? Because I wanted to keep this kind of look very chic, very elegant, if you guys know what I mean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below anything that you want to tell me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao!